Welcome back to another 3D comparison video. We're gonna take a look at the average salaries for CATIA V5 engineers in India. So within my previous videos, I discussed the salaries in United States. And if I'm gonna check the analytics of the channel for the audience, we're gonna see over here that the top regions, the first one will be United States. Afterwards, we're going to have India with 11.3%. So, to find out what are the average salaries for CATIA V5 users in India, again I ask Bard. So, we see over here that this was in Indian rupees. So, since I don't know exactly that currency, afterwards I had those converted to US dollars. So, as we can see, for less than 1 year experience, we see that this can go all the way up to around $400 per month. And afterwards, with experience, so for more than 5 year experience, the salaries will reach around $1,000 per month. And we also have this, let's say, divided based on the industry. So we have the automotive, the aerospace and defense. So you see that over here for the aerospace will be the highest salaries for CATIA V5. And within the consumer goods will be the lowest. So this is according to Bard. Over here we don't have the reference like we had in the previous videos, but I'm gonna search for those as well. So for the location, we see that CATIA V5 professionals in major cities. We see over here also Mumbai. They are typically earn higher salaries than those in smaller cities. So this is the same in Europe as well. And over here we're gonna have the average salary again per month, but this is the one where it's not converted to US dollars, so it's a little bit harder for me to see those. And afterwards, I was also curious what are the companies that are using CATIA V5 in India. And as you can see, this is used within a variety of industries, but mainly the automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing sectors. So we have Tata Motors within the automotive. We also see Suzuki over here, so Maruti Suzuki. Within the aerospace, and also for the manufacturing. So I'm really curious, let me know in the comment section below if Bard was accurate regarding this, because I see that the salaries for CATIA V5 in India are quite low compared to the ones in Europe or United States. So I'm really curious if Bard was accurate on this. And also, if you enjoyed this kind of content, I will create more for Europe as well and for specific countries within Europe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.